Mido watches have been renowned for their precision and reliability since 1918. These watches feature high-quality materials, intricate designs, and advanced functions, making them a favorite among watch enthusiasts. With a commitment to innovation and attention to detail, Mido watches provide the perfect balance of form and function. From classic dress watches to rugged sports watches, Mido has something for everyone. Discover the exceptional quality and style of Mido watches today. I included all the link in video description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 9. Mido Commander Blue Shade M8429.325.11. Stunning timepiece that combines classic design with modern technology. The blue dial features a sunray pattern and silver tone indices, paired with a stainless steel case and bracelet. At 42 millimeters in diameter, this watch is perfect for any occasion. The highlight of the Commander Blue Shade is the big date complication, located at the 6 o'clock position. Powered by a Swiss-made automatic movement, this watch also features a sapphire crystal and 50 meters water resistance. A true masterpiece from Mido, the Commander Blue Shade is a must-have for any watch enthusiast. Number 8. Mido Men's Automatic Diving Watch Ocean Star 200C Green M042.43011.09100 watch. Superb diving watch for men. This watch is built to withstand the depths of the ocean while maintaining a sleek and stylish design. The green dial features a date display at the 3 o'clock position and luminous hour markers and hands for easy readability in low light conditions. The stainless steel case is equipped with a unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert for precise timing of dive durations. The watch is powered by an automatic movement that has a power reserve of up to 80 hours. This watch is a perfect combination of form and function for any diving enthusiast. Number 7. Mido Watchmen Black Ocean Star 200 Automatic Mido Caliber 80. Timepiece that's built to last. With its stainless steel case and bracelet, black dial, and unidirectional rotating bezel, this watch is both stylish and functional. The watch is powered by Mido's Caliber 80 automatic movement, providing reliable and accurate timekeeping. The dial features luminous hands and markers, making it easy to read in low light conditions. Water resistant up to 200 meters, the Mido Ocean Star 200 Automatic is the perfect companion for any aquatic adventure. This watch is a true testament to Mido's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Number 6. Mido Commander Gradient Automatic Watch. Beautiful and sophisticated timepiece designed for the modern man. With its elegant and timeless design, this watch features a gradient blue dial that adds a unique touch of color to any outfit. The dial is also equipped with a date function and luminous hands and markers for increased visibility in low light conditions. The stainless steel case and bracelet give the watch a durable and long-lasting quality, while the automatic movement ensures accuracy and precision. The Mido Commander Gradient Automatic Watch is the perfect addition to any watch collection. Number 5. Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer. High-performance timepiece designed for diving enthusiasts. With a water resistance of up to 200 meters, this watch features a black dial with a rotating world time bezel, making it easy to track multiple time zones while diving. The dial also boasts superluminova coated indexes and hands for improved visibility in low light conditions. The watch is powered by the Mido Caliber 80 automatic movement, which provides a power reserve of up to 80 hours. With its robust construction and advanced features, the Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is an ideal companion for any serious diver. Number 4. Mido Multifort M Chronometer. High-performance timepiece that combines classic elegance with modern technology. Its stainless steel case, polished bezel, and elegant black dial give it a refined and sophisticated look. The watch is powered by a Swiss-made chronometer-certified automatic movement, ensuring precision timekeeping. Its sapphire crystal and water-resistant design make it durable enough to handle any situation. The Mido Multifort M Chronometer is also equipped with a chronograph and day-date function, making it a versatile and practical timepiece for everyday wear. Number 3. Mido Rainflower M043.207616.13 on 00. Elegant and sophisticated women's watch with a distinctive look. The timepiece has a 34mm round stainless steel case, a white dial with Roman numerals, and a date function at 3 o'clock. The watch is powered by an automatic movement and has a sapphire crystal that protects the dial from scratches. The bracelet is made of stainless steel and has a butterfly clasp for a secure fit. The Rainflower is water resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for daily wear and light swimming. This watch is a perfect blend of style and functionality, ideal for any modern woman. Number 2. Mido Commander Big Date Gore M021.62622.03 on 00. Sleek and sophisticated timepiece for the modern gentleman. With a 42mm stainless steel case and bracelet, this watch exudes a classic elegance that can be worn with any outfit. The white dial features a date display at the 6 o'clock position, as well as silver tone hands and hour markers that contrast beautifully against the blue seconds hand. Powered by a reliable Swiss automatic movement, the Mido Commander Big Date is water resistant up to 50 meters, making it a versatile watch for everyday wear. Number 1. Mido Automatic Watch Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite M038.42433.06 on 00. Stunning timepiece that showcases Mido's excellent craftsmanship. It features a stylish anthracite dial with luminescent hands and indices, a day and date display, and a power reserve indicator. The case is made of high-quality stainless steel, and the bracelet is a comfortable and durable black rubber strap. Powered by a Swiss automatic movement, this watch has a power reserve of up to 80 hours. With a water resistance of up to 100 meters, this Mido Multifort timepiece is perfect for everyday wear and outdoor adventures.